Yo, what's up, pandas? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, the Nerdy Gaming Cuber. Today we are going to be doing a glitter pen drawing. So recently I got these glitter pens from Amazon, so we're gonna be drawing Goku with them. And if you guys like this, tell me in the comments if you guys want to see other characters and name what characters. If so, yeah guys, I enjoyed doing this drawing. It was super unique, super like refreshing, you know, not like that overwhelming, super clean. But anyways guys, without further ado, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new around here, make sure to subscribe. I upload every Saturday. I do anime art on my channel. And yeah guys, thank you so much. Let's hit 60 likes on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there. and more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye. We're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
days I do remember we were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were